In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can see archive tasks in ClickUp. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside your main dashboard, go to the project on which you want to see the archive task. Now, I have the sample project open. As you can see, I only have one task right here, but in reality, I have four tasks. Three of those is archive. So how can I see it? What you're gonna do is you're gonna click here on the filter, as you can see, and in the filter, you're gonna select archive instead. Once you click on that, you will now see the archive task, as you can see right here. So that's how you can see all your archive tasks in ClickUp. So if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.